Guys, look at this ocean today! Crystal clear, guys! What's up, everyone? This is vlog 6, I think.
Okay.
So I was walking and I ran into these guys.
Hello.
Who we roasted them, but we're all good now. We're friends. So there's him up there. Anything you want to say to the vlog?
Hi, have a good day. Okay. Bye. Bye.
We are on our bikes now and we are going to ride.
What's up, guys? How are you? We're at Stinky's Bait Shack. See that right there?
How may I help you?
I'd like a table or two. I know we have four.
Whoa! What's your name?
Blake.
Blake. Well, wait time's about 30 seconds. And
Great.
your buzzer.
Awesome.
And just park them here. 2 ounce,
Huge.
99 cents.
It's only 99 cents.
Yep. Fill it up. Guys, it is 9:42 in the morning, and we are being savages and getting freezies. What pound? Guys, we are going to the beach now, and I'm sort of mad because my GoPro is about to die any second. I'll probably get some clips from Carter Vlogs over there, link at the end, or Blake, he's a GoPro as well. So, beach time. Guys, look at this ocean today! Crystal clear, guys! Look at this! But guys, bad thing though, guys, I brought tennis shoes. Like, why? I guess I'll take these off. I just need the thumbnail. Look at this! Guys, so I basically bought a bunch of packs of balloons. I bought a lot of balloons, and so I have this water bottle, and I'm filling it up with sand, putting the balloon over it, and dumping it into this, and it's making this like stress ball almost. As you can see, I'm gonna sell these for like $1.50 maybe. Get some cash. These are really cool, guys, just as you can see. So I'll just do a quick time lapse. Okay guys, so I've been out here for the last like hour almost, and I just finished making all of my whatever they're called, all of my stress balls, and look at them. So I'm gonna sell these, and yeah. Okay guys, this is gonna be Okay guys, this is going to be the end of the vlog for today. Tomorrow's the last vlog for the beach trip, because we're leaving tomorrow. And hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Now here's a time lapse of the sunset.